Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 3 GB plus iPhone 15 Pro Max mockups. First of all, I show the property. You see it's 3 GB, and then I show the preview. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer area. You can edit any of this layer according to you. If you want to simply replace your image here, double click on here. Now you see a new document appear here. Simply press Ctrl O to open your image that you want to replace. For example, I open it. Now with the help of move tool, move it and then adjust it. Press enter to adjust and then press Ctrl S to save. And now you see our image is replaced here. Same like it, you can edit any of this mockup. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.